Hello. Welcome back to Intuitivity, where today, we talk about planets. Unlike last video, we will go into more detail into each planet within the solar system. Let's start. First, Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system. Simply put, that is the only major detail with Mercury. It also contains very visible craters scattered all across its surface. Secondly, Venus, the planet with the hottest temperature within the solar system. It has a mass and radius similar to Earth, but due to the thick atmosphere, it traps a lot of heat within the planet in a runaway global warming effect, leading to higher temperatures than Mercury, even though the latter is closer to the Sun. But the most important factor of Venus is that Earth, the third planet from the Sun on which life has been expanding for the last 4 billion years. It has a habitable climate and is the only place in the universe currently to house life. Mars, fourth planet from the Sun with an average temperature of -60 degrees Celsius, is the furthest rocky planet away from the Sun. It has a red color due to finely grained iron oxide covering the surface of the planet. It contains the largest mountain, Olympus Mons, and many different landforms with, especially on an enlarged scale, within the solar system. Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet within the solar system. It has visible bands of gas which move in opposite directions around the gas giant. Another visible feature is the Great Red Spot, a spot which could fit approximately 3 Earths into it. However, it is expected to die out soon. Wait. What's happening? Oh. Okay, next. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet within the solar system, has a spectacular ring system made up of 7 different rings. All of these rings together provide for a beautiful look at Saturn either through a telescope or through general photos. Also, Saturn has an iconic southern pole which has the shape of an hexagon and is caused by what similarly occurs to make the different bands of Jupiter. Overall, Saturn is one of, if not the most beautiful celestial object within the solar system today. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun and roughly similar in radius to the next planet after this. Uranus' axis is nearly horizontal rather than vertical, therefore giving it the rings running from the top of the planet to its bottom. Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun and the furthest planet known so far in the solar system. It has a blue spot similar to Jupiter's, which has an average lifespan of around 4 years. The blueness of Neptune is not from the water on its surface but rather the methane in the upper atmosphere absorbing red light but reflecting the blue light back into space. Neptune is also the last gas giant in the solar system, but due to likely having water, it is considered along with Uranus to be an icy giant instead. Pluto, the once ninth planet within the solar system. It is only fair to cover Pluto due to its once title. Pluto is a now considered a dwarf planet which inhabits the Kuiper belt with many small moons apart from its largest moon, Charon, which, due to its mass, makes both objects, Charon and Pluto, have the same face always facing each other. It has an orbital period around Pluto of around 6 days. Pluto itself has an orbital period around the Sun of around 248 years, compared to Mercury's 88 days. Pluto isn't considered a planet anymore due to it having not cleared its orbit of any debris, mainly due to the existence of many asteroids inhabiting the same orbit as Pluto, from the Kuiper belt. Thank you for watching this video of planets explained from your host, Intuitivity. I hope that you enjoyed the video and are going to watch the next video, next time. Goodbye.